This is what happens when you run in this weather.
Oh bhai, too cold. It's so cold. Not doing this again ever in my life. কেমন আছে সিনচু?
খুব ঠান্ডা।
তোমার গেছে কি না জমে গেছে?
সব জমে গেছে।
We are almost frozen. Our nose is freezing. My hands are already frozen.
Here we are outside of Fairbanks, Alaska. Pause for adventure. Sled dog tours. Here's our dog team. This is Joyce. Hi, Joycey. And Rascal. Those are my lead dogs. This is Pretty Canina. There's Stubby. There's Big Boy Beetle. Hi, Beetle. Named after a Volkswagen. Hi, Silver. There's Pretty Silver. I've got two brothers right here. This is Hawk. There's Grouse burying his head in the snow. There's Mr. Nelson. And these are my goofy dogs back here. Goofy dogs go to the back. Hi, Nelson. What are you doing, man? Lecter. Hi, beautiful. Look at that. What a gorgeous dog. Hi, Lecter. You got Musher Pete. Woo!
We are going down the icy slope of the horseshoe trail.
We could see moose footsteps going right there. Hopefully we don't see one.
This is a frozen lake right in front of us.
the
Had we
trail.
come in summer, it would have been a beautiful sight. But now it's even more beautiful.
We are at the Chena Hot Springs and there is no one there. It's minus 33 degrees outside and we are so warm and cozy inside. We have a wind chill warning today, but
Our system, we have a well and it brings that water up to the surface.
our wonderful guide Katie explained us what causes this geothermal activity is uranium decay, which is pretty unusual. To make the temperature comfortable for humans to go in, they use a coolant called R134A. This same liquid is vaporized by these hot waters to generate electricity.
The really convenient thing about R134A is that it has a much lower boiling point than water. So we allow the hot water to heat up the R134A and we vaporize this and turn it into a gas. It will do the job of turning the turbines, which will then power a generator and give us electricity.
The resort also had their own greenhouse where they produce vegetables like tomatoes and lettuce to be consumed in the resort's restaurants. We have come to Pioneer Park. I have a good Christmas decoration. So the love of my life running there decided it will be a very good idea to actually run on this very warm and cozy evening. So it's because of her that we have landed in here. It's not warm. It's minus 25 degrees Celsius right now. Trying to find the Chena River.
Frozen Chena River right beneath us.
And we are walking right across it. We stopped at this restaurant. Definitely worth a stop. We were not that hungry, but we ended up having 2 crepes anyways.
Yeah. Come to the creperie when in Fairbanks. Museum of the North.